Hello everyone. We all know that how crucial emblems are in the early game, as the initial ganks are based on that and penetration or 0.1 HP escape. So in this video I will explain all the possible ways you can use to max your emblems as early as possible and open Magic Dust shop also. So watch this video till the end. According to me, you should prefer upgrading 1 or 2 emblem at a time and leave all others as it is. That will help you to dominate that early game with your mostly used heroes. For example, I am a marksman player, so I should max my marksman or assassin emblem and then do others. If you are an all-rounder, then go for the assassin emblem first and avoid maxing physical or magic emblem, as they don't give you enough benefit like others. Always buy Lucky Common Emblem Chest. You can find it in the shop and a bitrate scroll. It resets every week, so you can purchase it weekly. I know it is costly, but it offers you the most of the magic dust you can possibly get. You can get between 300 to 1050 magic dust from it every week, so you have to spend 4000 BP per week for it. It costs you 50 tickets per chest and gives you 45 to 55 emblem fragments. There is no limit to it. You can purchase any amount you like till you have the tickets. You can find it in the preparation section in the shop. It offers you good deal on particular emblem. I recommend you this over the Lucky Emblem pack when you upgrading a particular emblem that matches with the featured Matrix emblem. Featured emblem resets in every 72 hours and you even get a free draw every 72 hours and some free BP. With tickets you can obtain double the amount you get with. In Lucky Spin also you can get those magic dust and basic physical or magic emblem fragments. You will get a free draw in 48 hours here, and also you have the chance to win a free hero or basic skin. You can also use Lucky Gem in Lucky Shop to exchange them for small emblem packs. All you have to do is to find a mentor or apprentice to get magic dust weekly from here and from various places in the mentor rewards. You can get tons of magic dust and fragments from here along with some other rewards. All you have to do is to complete these achievements to collect points. These points will increase your achievement level, so complete tasks quickly to max out emblems early. Many of the players ignores event as it always have a red dot. In event tab, there's always some new skin or a new hero and you can get magic dust from the minor tasks. It also contains the 7-day login. You can get magic dust from there also, and many more events are there as well. So never forget the event tab. Like event tab, many ignores inventory as there are many chests from decades there, always looking for their master to open them and release them from suffering as they contain fragments and magic dust. You can collect magic dust or emblem fragments from daily quests, as by completing tasks, this will give you the chest containing emblem packs and others. You can also complete various celestial tasks to have magic dust along with the other rewards. You can also obtain some emblem fragments pack in the shop of the Starlight, where you can exchange Starlight fragments for emblem fragments. There are many more methods or chests like Common Emblem Chest or from Aurora Summon or Zodiac Summon, but I will not recommend you using these as the amount you spend versus what you get is lower, so ignore them. After you max your emblem, your magic dust shop will open. As you can see, all my emblems are maxed. So my magic shop is unlocked now. I can use this emote, recall and spawn effect on trial period of 1 day. Don't worry, you can purchase as much as you want and stack the usage.